Today is your English class and today we are going to learn new words which is starting from O and P. Yes, O and P. So first of all we will see O letter. Let's see what they are. First picture is a octopus and octopus. What is the spelling of octopus? O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Octopus. Next, oatmeal. O-A-T-M-E-A-L. Oatmeal. Next, oil. O-I-L. Oil. Overalls. O-V-E-R-A-L-L-S. Overalls. Next, over. Over. O-V-E-R. Over. Next, onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Next, olive. O-L-I-V-E. Olive. Next, owl. O-W-L. Owl. Next, oven. O-V-E-N. Oven. Next, ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Next, O-Y-S-T-E-R. Oyster. O-Y-S-T-E-R. Oyster. Clear? Now move to next letter. Letter P. First picture is parachute. What is the spelling of parachute? P-A-R-A-C-H-U-T-E. Parachute. Next, pant. P-A-I-N-T. Pant. Next, piano. P-I-A-N-O. Piano. P-I-A-N-O. Piano. Next, polar bear. P-O-L-A-R. Polar. B-E-A-R. Bear. Polar bear. Next, P-I-G. Pig. Next, paper. P-A-P-E-R. Paper. Next, pear. P-E-A-R. Pear. Next, P for plum. P-L-U-M. Plum. P for plum. Next, P for pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A. Pizza. P for pizza. P-I-Z-Z-A. Pizza. Next, pebbles. P-E-B-B-L-E-S. Pebbles. P-E-B-B-L-E-S. Pebbles. Next, parrot. P-I-R-A-T-E. P for parrot. P-I-R-A-T-E. Parrot. Next, penguin. P for penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. So my dear kids, you have to learn all those words. Okay? So my dear kids, today's class is over. We will meet in next class. Take care. Bye-bye.